Hello, my name is Laurie Watson and I'm a traditional musician and teacher based in Glasgow.
Hello, I'm Michael Dempster and I'm the Scots Scriever.
And this Saturday, the 1st of September, we're launching the first Scots language cafe at the Project Café in Glasgow.
And after that, it's going to be the first Wednesday every single month, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. at the exact same venue.
And all the sessions will be free, apart from donations for tea, coffee and printed materials if you can. But everybody's welcome at the Scots Language Cafe, whether you're a conversational Scots beginner like me, or you're really fluent in Scots. It's an opportunity to come along, use your language, learn more about it and explore it with Michael.
Over the 2 hours, I'll be doing a talk about kind of vocabulary, grammar, idioms, different uses of Scots and exploring that ways. If you've got a lot of Scots, you're welcome to kind of join in and help us with that. And then we're going to have a wee break and we'll have some tea and coffee and biscuits maybe. I don't know, is that too much?
Definitely biscuits.
Definitely biscuits. Then in the second part we're going to wind up having folk chatting, and the learners will maybe take them across and have more kind of structured conversation and a few more kind of exercises.
If you want to register your interest or tell us what kind of activity you'd like to see in a Scots Language Cafe, you can drop us an email at cafe@mindyourlanguage.scot.
You can join in the collogue on Twitter with us using the hashtag Scots Cafe. So we'll be doing some conversation online and hopefully get you writing a wee bit of your own Scots.
Yeah, so sessions will be the first Wednesday of every month starting in October. So please come and join us Saturday the 1st of September at the Project Café in Glasgow, 3 p.m, to make a plan for this new Scots Language Cafe.
Mona Lang, see you there.